Okay, here we go. I'm going to show you what you need. First of all, you're going to need alcohol inks. I'm going to be using Pink Sherbet. These are, you can get in a 3-pack at Michael's alcohol ink, and they've got 3 colors that coordinate. Um, Use your 40% off coupon, or if you have I think you might be able to use Hobby Lobby, but AC Moore 55% coupon, you can use that. But you're going to need inks. I'm going to use this one. You can blow with straws if you want, but I choose not to because I get too dizzy and out of breath. So I use canned air, and I get this at Walmart. And then you're going to actually, I have a piece of stained glass white iridized that I'm going to put a flower on. But you can go to Home Depot or Lowe's and you can get, this is a 6x6 ceramic tile, or you can get the small. This is like 49 cents. This 4.25 by 4.25 is 16 cents. You can pick those up. You don't have to buy a pack, just buy one. And you can practice on that, and you can wipe it off and discard it, and just keep practicing over and over. And I have Staples photo paper. You can use that. Staples I use because it does not have any stamp on the back of it, and you have to use the back of it, not the glossy side. Or if you have old pictures that you're not going to use anymore, you can practice on the back of those. Anyway, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the ink and probably, I don't know, maybe not quite in the center, but up a little bit. I'm going to, you don't need a whole lot, just put a drop, and then I'm going to hit it with the air gun. Not too hard. And wait a couple minutes, you'll see how the inks move. And then put another drop and blow it. And wait a few minutes. Just turn it as you go. Put another little drop. And you can make these however you want. If you want them spindly, like a little feather, you can hit it more with the air. If you see something you don't like, just take a paper towel and put alcohol on it and just wipe it off, and you can fix it. Anyway, here we go. Just a tiny little drop. That's all you need. And a soft. And try to keep the air container as level as you can, otherwise it freezes up or the Freon in there spits out. And it's your flower, so you make it however you choose, as big as you want, small as you want, any color you want. And you'll get the feel of the air can. And everyone's going to be different, and you can't control the inks. Just remember that. They're going to go wherever they want. And I think I might put one more right there. And I think I like that. I'm just going to leave it like that. So then you just have to wait a few minutes, and this is going to dry. The reason you don't put the inks down one right after another, the inks form and make little definitions on it. And then when I do the stem, I am going to use a paintbrush, still with alcohol inks, and I'm going to use a green, and just going to take a little bit of the green with the alcohol and just put like a little drop, and then give it a little spray, and just you can make this however you choose. I mean, however you like it. I think I'll put one more. And then I'm gonna, that's it for me. I'm gonna leave it like that. And then I'm going to make the stem. I like to make my stems, oh, I don't know, funky, I guess. And then you can make it however you choose. You want to make it look like a real leaf. And then as it dries, you can make definitions in it. And you can always go back over this with, after it dries, you can go over it and make it darker. If you don't like it, take your alcohol and wipe it off. And remember, it's your flower and your leaves. You can make it however you choose. But I think that's the end I'm going to do for that. And what I did do is I went ahead and I did this one on, this is opaque. I did this on your translucent. And I did this one in Snowcap white, all white. And then the green, I added a little white to it just to show you how you could do it. So I hope that answers all your questions. And if you have any other questions, just let me know. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope it was informative. Bye.